420 RC Jones again. Here we are back, and I got the fire team fixed up. It's my favorite. I'm so happy. I really am. I ran them a little bit off camera. Filthy. It's alright. We're gonna run it again. Gonna get it dirty again. Hopefully I won't bust it this time. It's getting really expensive fixing these things. Anyway, I got the ramp out. Sorry, what was it? I got the ramp out. Let's see, where is it? There. Bang. There's the ramp. Got it set up in its usual spot. Hopefully I don't break anything, because that's the cursed spot down there. I had the ramp down there before. Oh, where am I pointing? Yeah, down there. And I broke a lot of stuff. Not doing that no more. I'm gonna leave it here until, if you watch my other video about my big rock property tour, you know I got some plans. Haven't started them yet. They will start very soon though, I promise you. Well, until that happens, we're gonna be running them off the driveway there. Look at the scenery. I don't know why I keep walking out, but yeah. You see it there? All that. So nice. Okay. Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. What a way to start this, huh? All right, that was a good landing. Oh, no. Yeah, love it. Like I said, it's my fave. If I can get some good angles over here. Oh, it's nice. Oh. Always forget about the, oh, come on. Yeah, always forget about the handbrake on this thing. I shouldn't. Man. I should have been putting this thing on its top lately. Let's see. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Almost took myself out. Nice. Yeah, like I said, I think I'm gonna turn this part here into a bashing spot. Exactly doing what I'm doing, ramps and whatnot. And what I did the other day, I took my 0-turn and I mowed a big patch down there and on there. Now this is a pond, it goes all the way around. I'm thinking if I mowed all back there, I could get some sort of nice track going around this pond. Or at least down there, or side or something, I don't know. That'll be cool. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think in the comments. Guess what? I pretty much bought this property with this in mind. Oh, ooh. Was that a tennis ball? What? Okay. Well, my neighbor uses that down there, the golf course. So I guess finding golf balls is part of the territory. Alright, let's line up this shot. Oh! That was a direct hit. Damn, this thing's doing pretty damn good with that bumper. Shot again. I hope these shots come out good, because from my angle they're pretty darn cool. Ah! 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 Until it doesn't work. Like that. Whew. Ugly, but it'll work. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, come on. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. I can't see it. Oh, come on. That was terrible. How you doing there, buddy? Good? Everybody in there good too? Everybody still their guns? Oh, wait a minute. Oh no, this guy's hand is off. Oh, he broke a hand. It's alright. Whew. Oh, that was terrible. Once again. You okay?
No.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry. What a little soft. Handbrake. Whoa. Oh. Let's go take a look down there. See what I was talking about. Ah, never mind. I think this battery's gonna put on me soon. I don't feel like walking all the way back with this big old thing. I really thought that was gonna come after me. Oh. Okay, so we got another casualty here. Broke off somewhere. Underneath. Okay. Slight repairs to the body. No worries. Battery is winding down. Oh. Whew. Little buddy, you've been taking quite the abuse. You've been holding up. I'm a tough. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Oh, one pack down. At least we made the whole pack this time. I've been smashing these things apart before the pack runs out. I'm proud of myself. Alright. Alright guys. That was a successful run. I like that. I'm happy. I don't have to fix anything on this game. Maybe a little bit of adjustments, tighten up, but that's it. Sure and great. Alright guys, 420 RC Jones signing out. Till the next one. Alright, take care.